to your London Locksmith. Okay, we've got a job here. Key is broken inside the lock, so I have to extract that out for them. And we'll update you there. The broken key out. We've got a spare key, so we tested that. And the lock's okay, but the door's open. But when the door's closed, because there's always some sort of reason why the key breaks. Either something wrong with the lock, see it doesn't turn. So that's why people put extra force onto the key and result in the key breaking. So we have to try and sort this out for them. And we'll update you later on. Welcome back to your London Locksmith. Okay, we've fixed the alignment issue. So door alignment issue fixed, key extracted, job done. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment. Let us know what you think and what else we can put on our next videos. That's it for now. Be good and please stay safe, and I'll catch you up on the next video.